Hey G2, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this really cool and amazing product right here in my hand that's by a brand called MOZA. And pretty much what it is a stabilizer or gimbal for your phone. So first thing first, let's actually unbox it to show you guys what comes out the package first before we test it out and whatnot. So all you have to do is kind of like remove this little layer here, and then there's a little strip right here that I actually pull out. So pretty much this is what comes out the package if you guys can see. They give you like an instruction guide right here on how to use the product and all the different functionality that's on here. They provide you some really cool stickers right here if you guys want to stick it anywhere you guys want. And here's a quick starter guide if you guys don't want to read the manual and whatnot. They provide you a aux cord to micro USB cable. They provide you a small little baggie, I guess, to hold your accessory. They provide you a USB-C to a USB cable. And then here's accessory. Let's see what this is first before I show you guys the gimbal itself. There's a small little tripod that they provide you if you guys want to use it, which is pretty awesome. But let me show you guys the gimbal itself first. So basically there is the gimbal itself right there. So let's take it out. You guys can screw the bottom part right here onto the bottom. So if you guys wanted to, you guys can use it as like a little grip, an extra little handle grip if you guys want to. Or you guys can actually use it as a stand, which is pretty awesome, just like that. So let's take a look at this product first. If you guys look right here, there's the button right here. This is where you actually control the angle of where you guys want to move it. So left, right, up, down, all on here. Here's the button right here where you guys can actually use it once you guys pair it onto the app itself. So once you guys pair the app, you guys can control all these buttons on here. Here's the power button to turn off and on the product. And this is where you actually plug in the cable to charge the product. If we turn on this side, there's some more buttons that you can actually control once you guys pair on the app. So that's basically everything that's on the product. Now let's actually open this part up and show you guys what it actually looks like first. So first thing you want to do is unlock this part right here. And then you guys can turn this part right here like that. And actually we'll lock it back in place like that. And then for this part right here, what you guys want to do is turn it this side to unlock it. And then you can start using the product itself. So let's turn it on really quick first. So all you have to do is press this button for like 5-10 seconds and it'll actually turn on. So just watch the magic happen. So as you can see, that's pretty cool. It follows the motion just like that. But let me actually put my phone on there so you can see even better. Alright, so now I have my phone on here. Let's actually power it up and see what happens. Alright, so you can see it does work. It's actually really stabilized if you can see no matter how I move it. It just follows that position with wherever I go, which is pretty cool. But let's pair it to the app itself and see what happens. So basically, first thing you guys want to do is download the app itself, which is called the MOZA Genie. M-O-Z-A and then Genie. And then once you guys finish downloading the app, it will actually go to the app itself and you guys can actually connect it using the select device option on here. So all you have to do is kind of like to activate the product, turn it on, and you guys can see the product right here. And it'll start connecting it. So once you say product connected right there, then you guys can start using it. So let's put on the phone itself and then show you guys whether or not the button works or not now. On the screen itself, an app is showing you guys how to use each different functionality that's on here, which is pretty awesome. So basically once I press the buttons that's on here now, that it actually will work. So once I press this button right here, I actually start recording, as you can see right there. So as you can see the number, it starts recording. And actually will follow the motion of wherever it goes, which is pretty awesome. And then on the side button right here, like the T and W, that's how you guys will control how far it's actually going when you guys are recording. So if you guys want to go forward, it'll zoom in like that. If you guys want to go back, just click the W and it actually goes wider. So that's pretty cool if you guys can see. If you guys want to see your previous picture, just click on this option right here. It actually goes to the previous picture right here. Just like that. And on the app itself, you guys can control which lens you guys want to use. So your regular lens, your wide angle lens, whatever lens that you guys want to use, that's up to you guys. But basically to control the motion, as you can see, is actually really easy to use. If you guys can see, just left, right, up, down, up, down. So if you can see right here, this is where the battery indicator light is. So if it's all the way to the highest level, then you guys know it's fully charged. And you guys can actually tell by the color as well. So there's different color to show you guys where the battery level is for the product. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, I would have to say that it's actually really worth it if you guys want one or need one. Like you basically get everything that's on here that you guys would want from a gimbal stabilizer. So obviously like the stabilization, the controls, easy to use, the small little stands to do time-lapse videos, or you guys just want to take a really good video in place, just putting the product down on the floor or surface or something, then you guys can do that option as well. Very nice option where you can control where the product is actually moving, so you can control left or right, up and down. You guys guys can zoom in and out right here as well, control the product right here. As long as you guys connect it to your product on your phone using Bluetooth, then everything on here will work really nicely. So pretty much long story short, yes, this is worth if you guys need one or want one, but obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that actually do need. So when I was actually using the product to like record myself just now, it actually looks really nice. I'll probably do like an update video to let you guys know how it works after like a week or a month and whatnot, when I actually do like a actual test in the outdoor setting in the wild and whatnot to see how it works. But probably not anytime soon, because right now it's actually raining, so this product is not waterproof, so I have to wait for the rain to go away first before I get to use this product. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have